Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Montego Ramon, man, back with another video with the Rizerz channel, man, where we rise to the occasion. Man, we just gonna hop right into it. As y'all can see, the charts is up. I got both the Nasdaq and the S&P mini futures up right now. I actually got my phone stand, so we're gonna slap you on the phone stand. There we go. So I don't gotta hold you. Right, and I could use two hands on the screen. All right, so I think last time we talked, I was kind of keeping y'all an update on this trade, and on this trade, I was supposed to clear closer to 40,000. I think we only cleared we only cleared 8. So like y'all can see right here, we're back up to 20,000. I was up as much as 28,000. when I started showing y'all the balance. So if we look in the balance here, we closed on 8, and then we closed for 8,000. I closed the trade kind of early because I was just like, let me just go ahead and take profit right now. I don't need the whole move. This is a good move, and I don't want to sit the reverse, and I don't need the whole move. Whatever. So you can see I entered the trade up here on the push down on this candle. Y'all can see that little entry target right there. If you don't see it in the red, let me see. What I'll do is I'll screenshot it and show you. Dang, let me get my pen real quick, cause I just got new tips for my pen, man. So my pen is back. The pen is back. All right, bet. All right, so you can see that little entry area right there. I'll put this in blue, maybe. Hold up, no. Oh, my pen just not working all together or something. There we go. Oh man, what is going? Oh no, the pen ain't working. Bruh, the pen ain't working. All right, so it's right here. That's where the trade was entered at. And I think we entered on probably like the 2 minutes or something. I'm not saving this. Bro, I can't believe my joint not working. Hold on. Nah, bruh, I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. All right, so we entered off like the 2 minute. Let's see, move this down here. We entered off like the 2 minute on that trade. That was, yeah, so as you can see, the 2 minute was looking solid. 2 minute, the reason why I took that trade was because of, first of all, we got the entry right here, right? I seen we got the rejection, and we started go ahead and making some moves downward. As you can see, I added in that first position. First position was probably on that first candle. Then as I started adding them in, that's where we ended up averaging out to. What I seen basically was a shift of structure. I might have seen it on like the 5 minute. I might have seen it on like the 5 minute. And then let's go to the higher time frame to also see what I was seeing. Man, why did that move all the way down there? Yeah, so we had, like I said, man, we had got all this momentum down right here. We had got all this momentum down, right? We got all this momentum down, right? Just continue making downtrending structure. This was an obvious pullback to me, right? I seen that we had a fair value gap here. And then we kind of make this, continue making this impulse move downward. We got some trend upward, and then finally, well, at least in this area, I was just, you know what? I just took the risk. I took the risk. I seen the shift of structure. I didn't see momentum. I didn't see any real momentum changing for us to like continue upward. So I just wanted to take it back into this level. Like I said, I thought maybe we might be changing shifting the structure, because as you can see, we didn't get a true shift of structure yet. I really still think we're going down, because we didn't break over the top of these levels right here. We didn't necessarily break over the top and then start creating a trend upward. But You see we're kind of holding this area. We had 2 touches there. And then we're still kind of just ranging in this area. And to me, I'm thinking we're still going to go down because we have, just because of where we're at in the cycle of, let me get all this stuff out the way. Just because of where we're at in the cycle of just the year. Bro, let me just make this screen big, yo. I don't know how to do that right here. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't even know how I did this. I did this from my laptop, honestly. I did this from my laptop. Okay, cool. There we go. I know this black screen might look a little funky, but I did this from the my laptop, and now I see how to. Okay, I like that. I can just. Okay, cool. Now let me clear some of this out the way. All right, cool. Move drawings. Okay, cool. So, like I said, I was just looking to get back into this area here. I was just looking to take it down into this area. But this area still has room to be claimed, and you can see entries popping up here, right? For ICT model, we're getting this downtrending structure. Another entry area popped up right here. Price pulled back in there and started to make its way down. So I think we're going to reclaim this area before we start to maybe turn around. And I will verify that with a higher time frame look. I don't really see anything else we're coming back down here for. We get that out of there, man. Okay. We do have let me get that out of there. Let's find some better tool. This is our 4 hour. We do have other gaps down here that we might want to come and fill. That could possibly be areas we come back and fill. So this is a fair value gap, but then we also have this area of support as well, which we've had multiple touches and bounces from there. Am I seeing anything else? Not really. Everything else is pretty much clean. These are the lowest areas I'm seeing, and I think from here we're going to start to get that push up. Once we'll be filling these areas out by the over the next month or so. I believe we'll make our way down there. Next couple weeks, too. I think we'll make our way down there. Maybe next week, next couple weeks to a month. We could make it as low as, when is this? This is June. Bro, we could make it as low as down to these areas right here. So I'll just mark these out real quick. Could make it as low as, like, we got areas right here. We got, can I clone that? Clone that. So I gotta get a whole new pin. We got this area right below here. We got areas right here. I'm gonna mark out about 2 more of these areas. So I'm really marking out just the start of these fair value gaps, right? And then we got that one. Then we got this one is huge. I ain't gonna really worry about that one. So beneath those areas, you can see, if you see just purple with no, like, you see, basically what I'm saying, you seeing the purple with no retracement of other wicks from preceding candles. You see no wicks, no bodies, like really matching that area. So basically those are imbalances. Those are fair value gaps, which are basically like imbalances in the market, and price likes to come back and rebalance those. So far, anyways, man, y'all seen the trade, bro. Could have took another one, which is what I kind of want to talk about in this video as well. As soon, it didn't really fill that area, so I'm not really tripping. But that's also why I wanted to take profit. Yeah, I could have probably scored close to 20,000, maybe 40. We'll have to go back and look at the replay type stuff. But I just went ahead and took profit because I wanted to. That's something I kind of just want to practice. Like, I don't want to be trying to sit in trades, trying to max out as much as possible. Let me take it to an area where I know price is possibly going to reverse, because I don't know how the reversal is going to be. So I managed the trade well, locked in about 5K. It made it down to 8 and touched my area. And I was like, or touched a area where I felt like it was a strong area of support. I got out way up here. That candle ended up pushing down lower. And this is, I would have actually liked to get out around here. This would have been better, honestly. I think this would have scored me about 20. The rest would have scored me about 40. But you can see I got out way up here. All right, you can see I got out way up here. And we could have scored another 5 points or so. 5. What is that at? Mine is on, it ain't telling me where exactly. 729. So I could have scored another 5 or so points. Oh, really another like 29, almost 20 points. Whatever. Definitely could have scored another 25 if I wrote it down to here. Yeah, so whatever, who cares? Like I said, I'm practicing just, hey, look, if this is a solid area, take your profits. You could just always re-enter the trade. But as you can see, price ended up making this type of move, right? So it ended up coming down here to this area of support, right? Pushing up, filling this fair value gap, and then coming right back down, sweeping this just a little bit, swept this low right here, just a little bit. But didn't come through and fill this whole imbalance before shooting up, which is where I was saying, like, oh, if I would have just been a little more patient, I maybe could have saw something in there, maybe an entry to take it for buys. But honestly, I really didn't expect this type of pullback. So there's no guarantee I would have even took that trade. Bro, I don't know why this had every day it falls once a day. I don't know why it does that. Bro, get this together, bro. Yeah, so yeah, exactly. Whatever. I wasn't even tripping. I'm tripping about. Who cares? Like I said. And then you can see prices back, making its way back down. With this after touching inside this fair value gap. Boom. Alright, reject out of there. Shot down. I just went through this basically. Boom. There's another rejection inside there for value gap. It's continuing down. I think it's going to come reclaim this level before we potentially push down, or maybe get a full retracement up. Everything pretty much looking balanced and clear. So I think we're going to continue down. Honestly, from here, I think we're just going to continue downtrending, going for the rest of this week. Next week we got some good news coming out. So well, we got a good bit of news next week. Let's look that up. We got a good bit of news next week. This week we don't really have much news. We talked about that a few times. But I was like, no, we can just go through it anyway. So this week I'm kind of just chilling. Like I said, I've been a little slack with the videos, just a little bit. You can see we got unemployment claims coming tomorrow. I may actually try to trade that. This comes out at 7:30 a.m. So I mean, I need to get some sleep now. This could send the market up, or it might continue down. They think the forecast is going to be 211K, previous to 208. 208 was a drop from the forecast and the previous. They've been doing this every week. Okay. Last was good. So on the 16th, what happened on the 16th? Did we shoot up on the 16th? That July 16th? It's June. Nah, hold on. What was that? What did that say? That said the last one was on July 16th. Oh. What the hell is the market doing on the 16th? Man, that thing sold off. We got a little spike up. That thing sold off. They don't care about I don't care. It was green for us to sell off. That's what it was for. We got a little pullback. Was that 730? 730. Sold off, boy. Hey, that might be signs for a sale tomorrow. Let me try to make sure I'm up around that time, man. Trying to look for some sales because we are already in the setup. Honestly, I could take this entry right now. It's looking solid. Let me tell it. I actually might go ahead and take that. We're on the 1 hour, but let me see. Yeah, bro, that's just looking too solid right now. I would try to find an entry. Yeah, so I'm going to place an entry right here. I'm going to place let's add an order. Let's dock right. I'm going to add an order. I will risk as much as, let's see. I'm going to put it up here. And then I'm going to place you down here. So we'll be going for like a 1 to 4. 1 to 3, a little over a 1 to 3. If we were to take it from here, if we can get a pull back up to here. Okay. Why is this saying 0 right now? We did 5, I'll risk 16. We have, I'm willing to risk as much as like 10, 20. 2,000. I'm cool risking closer to 4 or 2. Maybe we can do 12 contracts. All right, if we do 12 contracts, we'll make 17 on this. Let's go for it. Boom. So we're going for 12 on ES. We're selling 12 contracts on ES. If it goes without me, I'm cool with that. I think we can. Yeah, I'm gonna go for about 18K on that. That'd be a nice win. What I don't want to happen, I'm cool with losing the 4. I ain't really tripping, bro. Yeah, cause it got some areas in here on the 5 minute, like right in here. Let me mark that off. Yeah, right in here. So here and here, well, right above that. But there, yeah, maybe you can come take that out. I'm looking to just take like, y'all see this fair value gap I'm looking at here? Let me see. Yeah, y'all see this fair value gap I'm looking at here? Boom, I'm looking at this fair value gap. I'm trying to get at the top of it. Then we have one right above that. Right, we got one right above it. Price might make it too. And I got my stop above this structural point here. I got my stops above this structural point here. That was the last swing high. I don't want anything being any trade above that. I might actually bring it down. Might get really closer to 35, 33. Might even increase my contract size. We'll see. I think this is good though. We'll make 18. That means that would turn this trade into almost a, what's 33 times, do the math on that. That's close to like a 1 to 5, 1 to 6 ish, a little over a 1 to 6. Or it might be just a 1 to 6. It's like a little under 1 to 6, right? So hopefully we get a nice pullback, and then we got like little areas beneath here. I'm not too concerned with it. I'm mostly concerned with this higher time frame movement. We got the rejections out of there. Nothing really much. So even on the 15, we might come back up and reclaim this. I'll lose that 33, then probably try to re-enter. Even on here, this is the 30 minute. We got this area right here, which price probably wants to possibly reclaim before it takes off. 1 hour is slightly in some area above here, right? So yeah, so they got this area right here. Price could come back too. And then on the 4 hour, I'm sure that's where I drew that box from. Nope, the 4 hour, everything looks clear. Structure looking good. We're breaking below this last structural point right here. We're breaking below this last structural point here, right? And we're creating that downtrending structure. We had this little trend going on, and then it's breaking beneath that. So, all right, cool. Man, get that up out of there. All right, man. So, yeah, that's all I pretty much got, man. We had about 20 minutes already, so I'm going to cut this video. That's pretty much all I'm looking for right now. Like I said, we're just updating you on the trade, seeing where the market potential going next, seeing if these ideas are playing out as far as like being in the market cycle where we're starting to come to the time of the year where prices are going to start selling off right before the end of the year holiday run, and then being solid about using the proper risk, taking solid entries, not rushing it, accepting our losses. You know, psychology is there because, you know, we're using the proper risk, you know, not trying to rush it. So this is good practice for like tomorrow or Friday. We'll be getting into the day. Friday morning, we'll be getting new accounts. I can't say we'll take any trades. If we do, we'll probably just keep our positions really small. And then Monday, we'll keep our positions really small if we trade. Tuesday, hopefully Tuesday is looking, let's see, go back to Forex Factory. So this next week is what we're really looking for the trading. Let's see, non-USD, no yellow, go, apply filter. All right, so like I said, this week, tomorrow we got unemployment claims, so that's another reason why I'm going to take that trade. Might look for a re-entry. Let's go to, let's go to calendar, and then we're going to next week. Let's see next week. Yeah, filter it. Non-USD, no yellow, apply filter. So next week, man, plenty of news. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, plenty of news happening every day that week. So we'll be looking to try to trade, especially Wednesday, Thursday, potentially Friday. Hey, man, that's all I got for y'all, man. It's your boy Montego Ramon here with the Rizerz channel where we rise to the occasion, man. Y'all, hey, man, stay tuned. Keep up with the journey. Document it. Hopefully you get some value out of this as I'm just continuing to document the journey. And, yeah, man. Hey, man, y'all like, leave a comment, something. Tell me something. Give me some feedback.